Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's Adam Ratliff with Adam So Fun, and today you're joining me for the 8K giveaway. So I have this box. I ordered it, and it was here when I got home last week, so I was super excited. If you follow me on Facebook and you watch my lives on Tuesday, you already know what's in the box. But Barb and I were teaching last week in, where were we? Nampa, Idaho. We were at Bluebird Quilt Studio, and we walked into the education space because we had a bunch of machines set up. I think there were 10, 12, something like that. And I said, oh my gosh, Barb, look what they have. So a lot of you have been part of the Ruler of the Month Club. Handi Quilter did, I think, 8 seasons of Ruler of the Month, 6 rulers for each season. A lot of new rulers. So they decided to put that on pause, and of course, we have to bring you something new, right? So I don't know whose idea this was, but it's a fantastic idea. So Handi Quilter just came out with the Handi Quilter skill sets. So we're going to go through one of these. I will be giving away 6 of them, so I want to show you what's in it. Let me move that box. I'm going to show you what's in it first, talk about it a little bit, and at the end I will tell you how to win a possible skill set. So these are the, oh, it was upside down. That's so Adam So Fun. So this is the Handi Quilter skill set. This is actually, they're going to each have a name. So this skill set is the Lines and Curves kit. And what it has in it is some practice panels. Well, there's a practice panel, there's a regular panel, you get a ruler, a little notebook that I was flipping through yesterday, and I feel like I want to steal the notebook out of one of these. But someone is going to get an opened one that the fabric won't be folded very good because it's like, I don't know, it's like folding a map. I couldn't get the fabric folded right, so I just folded it how I think it should go and shoved it in. But this is skill set, so this would be skill set 1, the Lines and Curves kit. Is that what I just called it? Yeah, Lines and Curves kit. So when you get it, you're going to be able to open it. Ooh, ah. And then when we pop it open, you'll see the stuff that is inside. Can you see the stuff? I'm like Vanna White. I guess I would be one of the showcase girls from the one where you guess the prices. The Price is Right. Hey, it's been a long week. And I leave next week. So next, so what's in the box? You're like, what's in the box? So first, you get a Handi Quilter pencil, so you can make all your friends jealous when you write with your Handi Quilter pencil. Sport us, show us off. You also get this Practice with Purpose notebook. I really like this notebook. I'm like, oh, it's a notebook, whatever. Well, I was flipping through it on my live yesterday because again, we hadn't seen them yet. And my favorite things. Front page, you have a needle guide that shows you what size needle to use with those threads. So when you take this with you to the quilt shop and you have your list of threads that you need to order at Superior Threads when you go to the Superior Threads booth, or you have your list of needles that you need when you go over to the Handi Quilter booth, you can reference this. It also has a tension reference guide right here, and it has your standard quilt sizes. I Google this like twice a month to be like, oh, what size quilt is that? Then there's some pages that are just dotted so you can help draw grids and such. But at the top of each page, like this one has a little design. At the top of each page, there's another design motif that you can practice. And once you get into it, the book a little bit, you have these blocks. You'll see these blocks in a second, but you have some blocks in here. And then you have some of the panels. So you'll see this row panel in a second, but you can use this to kind of run through ideas, pre-map your quilt, and then when you're putting it on the machine, you're ready to go. And then a few more of those dotted line pages. This is super cool. There's 32 pages in this. This doesn't look like it would have 32 pages. That's kind of a lot. My favorite, the back page. I thought the front page was good, but then I got to the back. So this is your getting ready to quilt checklist. And there's the pre-loading checklist, like did you clean, did you oil, you know, how's your bobbin look? Then there's like the loading the quilt checklist. So there's a bunch of checklists here, and then there's a how to pull up your bobbin thread. I always laugh when I teach because I said the hardest thing for people to learn is how to pull that bobbin thread up after you stitch. Like the grab some slack, move away, pick the slack up, move on back, kneel up, kneel down, move away, and trim. I need to make a song. I need to make a video for that, right? Okay, so that's your book, Practice with Purpose book. Your little pencil. Then you get the HQ Curvy template. Some of you might have this. You might have got this in your Ruler of the Month club. So this might be a second. Sell it. Give it as a gift. Whatever. It's going to come with it anyway. This is one of the templates I really like because it gives you dual curves. So you get 2 different size curves. You always can find the curve to fit what you're working with, but sometimes you need to run through ruler. So this gives you 2 options. And this will be fun to use on those panels. So you'll get the HQ Curvy template. You get a practice panel. This is, I was saying, you get a practice panel. So this one is a yard. And what I love about it is one side is your blocks here. So these are blocks. Remember, we saw the same pattern in that Practice with Purpose book. So you have those. And then you have some lines. Just so you can pre-practice your designs that you're thinking you might want to throw on this on your actual panel. So this is the first one. Again, that's a yard. And then the real panel, once you've already practiced and you're all ready to go, and this is 2 yards. So it's not like you're not getting a lot of stuff. So we'll just start with the top. So we have lines. Once you finish the lines, you have, guess what? More lines, vertical lines. My one drawback on the panel, so if you're watching and you design this, more geese. We need more geese. People love geese. I love geese. So you have some flying geese. I really like these blocks. These are, there's a smaller square kind of in the strip. I guess it's not a square in a square, but whatever. It's just I don't know. It's a little square border. I think those would be fun to quilt. And then we have a curved section. Oh my gosh. Teach me how to fold, people. So we have a curved section and then some more lines at the bottom. But, like I said, this is 2 yards of fabric. So, I mean, you're getting a total of 3 yards of fabric. That's not bad. So, how to win this? Again, I have 6. Today is May 11th. It's currently 8:20, but this probably won't be out for about an hour because I have to edit the video. So, this video is gonna release whenever it releases. How to enter? You have to be a subscriber to my channel. Sorry, this is a YouTube giveaway. I give it away because we hit 8,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel on my birthday. So thank you, everyone. So you have to be a subscriber to the YouTube channel. You're going to comment here in the YouTube comments. Comment what you're going to do with it. Say, I'm going to sell it. I don't care. Whatever you want to do. Comment what you'll do with it. So winner's going to be Friday, 5 p.m. And I'm going to pick 6. Again, you have to comment on this video to enter, and you have to be a subscriber to the Adam So Fun page. So comment what you're going to do with it. Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific, I will pick a winner. Give me about a half hour to throw a video together with all those winners. I'll post it here I can post things, but nobody ever sees them, but I will make a video. I'll also post them on Facebook. I'll also post them on Instagram. So make sure you're following me on social media. Adam So Fun with an SEW everywhere. So you can see if you're a winner. If you're a winner, you need to message me through Instagram or message me through Facebook or email me adamsofun@gmail.com. That's Adam, SEWFUN @gmail.com. One of those ways, you have to contact me, and you have 24 hours. You have until Saturday at 5 p.m. to contact me, or I will pick more winners. I am leaving town on Sunday. I don't have time to mess with it, so I need to get all of these out the door as fast as I can. So hopefully you're just coming back here, let's say 8:30-ish on Friday night if you're on the East Coast, 5:30-ish if you're on the West, to find out if you're a winner. Send me a message through everything. I don't care. If you I want you to contact me. I'm not going to search for you. That's not my job. I'm giving you something for free. So you got to put a little legwork into it. It surprises me how often I pick winners and people don't ever claim the prize. Excuse me. So comment below. Check back Friday, 11, 12. Friday. Oh, it's Friday the 13th at 5 p.m. Sorry. So yeah, check back Friday the 13th at 5:30 p.m. Pacific to see if you're a winner. Make sure you comment. Feel free to share this video with everybody that you know. I'm going to post it on my Facebook page. I'm going to post it in my Adam So Fun group, but that's it, because this really is a YouTube video and it's for all of you who make my YouTube channel keep growing. I'm so appreciative of you, so it's my little way to give back. So again, these are the Handi quilter skill sets. The only place you can get these are from, I'm pretty sure, is from your local retailer. So if you're interested, it's called the Lines and Curves Kit. The Handi quilter skill set, Lines and Curves Kit. Give them a ring. If your retailer has no clue what you're talking about, Bluebird Quilt Studio in Nampa, Idaho had, I think, 4 of them left. We sold a bunch of them while we were there because I kept showing them off. The nice thing was I kept showing them off, and then I made Barb fold the fabric. So, all right, thank you all. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for helping me grow this channel. I can't believe we hit 8,000. The goal is 10,000 by November, so let's make it happen. I think I'm going to give away a sewing machine. What, is that crazy? At 10,000? I don't think that's crazy. But yeah, help me grow. We only have, we're at 80, we're almost at 8,200 right now. So just thanks again. Make sure you're following social media, Adam So Fun on Facebook and Instagram. I do weekly lives, and I showed these off yesterday to my fans, to my crew over on Facebook. So hopefully you're having a great week. At the end of the day, it's just quilting. We want to laugh. We want to have a good time. We want to practice, baby. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye, everyone.